Okay, I have the best airsoft gun that's affordable and it's beast. It's the military Thompson. It has 466 FPS and easy to reload. You just put the clip in here. I don't have the clip right now. In here, this part, and it has like a lot. I would recommend it. Listen to it fire. And we'll put on single. Okay, you got that. Has a safe. Can't shoot it. Has this so you can set it down like that if you want to carry it around. And I'll show you the battery. Okay, take the battery out. This is where you take out the battery. Right here in the back. Pull out the battery. Stays in here. Get it out. See, it connects to the back. That's all you need is this little battery. Give you a closer look. It's this type of battery. That kind right there. It's a AEG high-end battery, 1100 I mean. It has 847 volts. It's a Cyper gun. This is the brand. I'm pretty sure it's the Cyper kind of gun brand. And made in China. And Thompson machine gun caliber 6mm M1A1. And it's a full metal body, full metal. So yeah, that's pretty good. Has a good sight. It's right, just like the real one in Call of Duty World at War. Okay, that's that, and yeah, it's really easy to reload. It's really good. It has 466 FPS. A lot of people use it, and I think it's the best gun. It's really affordable, and I'm about to stop the video, I guess. And yeah, I think it's really good. I'll take it to some battlefield if I was you. Just put in the battery. It's great. Beautiful. Okay, now, I think, I'm just going to tell you this. I think these are illegal if you don't have them on. Can't take them anywhere. That's pretty obvious. It's full metal. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.